Good morning, students. Today, new chapter is there that is called financial market, and it is the second chapter of part B, and it has the weightage of 7 marks in the board examination. So altogether, financial market and financial management has the weightage of 15 marks in the board examination. As per the yesterday's Zoom online class, I am sending this video to recall the topic because it is a very important topic of this chapter, and this question came in the board examination many times. That is why I'm explaining this topic again. So you should be attentive to know this this topic and to know about this chapter well. So I'm going to tell you about the meaning of financial market. Financial market is a process in which the securities of the different companies can be issued by the company and purchased by the investors. That is why financial market is considered as an important process. And we can say financial market provide the platform to the different companies to issue their securities, to get financial support, to perform the different financial activities. As I told you in the previous online class session, now the main topic is types of financial market. Generally, the financial market is categorized into primary market and secondary market, and both of the markets are very important for the joint stock companies and government companies to issue their securities in the capital market. Primary market is a type of market in which the securities can be issued by the businessman at first time. So we can say whenever the businessman issuing its securities at first time in the financial market, then it is known as primary market. Primary market do not have any physical location because the businessman can issue the securities with the help of internet. And also we can say in which the securities can be sold or purchased by online. That is why primary market is an important process in which the securities can be easily sold or purchased between the investors and the company. There are different methods of flotation under primary market. Some methods are there through that the securities of the companies can be sold or purchased in the primary market. So let's start the method. The first method is EIPOS. It stands for Electronic Initial Public Offerings. Many times this word came in the board examination and examiner asked about the full form of it. So EIPOS stands for Electronic Initial Public Offerings. Nowadays, the Companies Act 1956 amended in 2011, in which they mention that every new company has to issue its securities online only. Nowadays, no any company can issue its securities in the traditional form. Every company have to issue its securities with the help of internet. That is why electronic initial public offerings plays an important role in the financial market to provide the financial assistance to the businessman. And also it is very healthier for the investors to purchase the securities while sitting at home. EIPOS also plays an important role because earlier the companies was selling its securities in a traditional form in which they provide the certificate of ownership to the investors in the paper form, which had the lot of chances of loss, theft, and fire. That is why the Companies Act 1956 amended in 2011, in which they made the changes in the issuing of securities of the companies. That is why they made it mandatory that every company has to issue its securities online, because in which the data will be saved and no any type of loss will take place. The investor will have the certificate of ownership in their email in the electronic form, so they do not have any chances of loss. That is why the Companies Act protected the interest of the investors by converting the securities into online form. That is why it is very important. Now, the another method is issue through prospectus. As yesterday I told you people about the prospectus. Yesterday I discussed about three methods of flotation under primary market, and today again I will try to complete these three, and later on I will complete the full topic because it is an important topic. So I have to divide the topic in two parts, then only it will be easy for you to know about it. Okay, now the next one is issue through prospectus. Prospectus is a general invitation given by the company to the investors, or we can say prospectus is a mean to attract large number of investors towards the company. Every public company, every joint stock company has to issue its prospectus before the general public to attract them towards the securities. As I told you people, in prospectus every company has to represent its targets, its objectives, its achievements, and its goals to attract large number of customers. For example, if any of company is going to issue its securities in the market, then beforehand they have to represent their balance sheet before them to show the profit rate earned by the company in the previous year, and also in the prospectus the company has to show the rate of dividend given by the company to the investors. If company paid a good amount of dividend, then ultimately more and more investors want to invest their money in that particular company. And also the company has to show that how much dividend will be given by the company to the investor in the current year. This is the method to attract large number of investors towards the company by showing a healthy structure of the company. If the company is ready to pay more dividend to the investors, then only large number of investors will ready to invest their money in that particular company. That is why the prospectus plays an important role for the development of the company and to provide financial assistance to run their business successfully in the economy. That is why These two methods are very important, in which the new companies can issue their securities by internet to protect the investors from different type of problems take place in the economy. The investor do not face any type of problem, and also we can say the company can represent its achievements and goals before the investors to attract them towards the company and to insist them to do more and more investment towards the company. So students, it is an important part of method of flotation under primary market. Today I explained about financial market, primary market, and its method of flotation. Today I discussed only two methods, that is called electronic initial public offering and issue through prospectus. And tomorrow I will try to explain about the initial public offering, private placement, and offer for sale. So it's enough for today's session. If you have any query, you may ask your queries on my personal number. I will send you notes and 5 questions related to this topic. You should try to solve it. If you have any problem, you may ask your queries on my personal number. Okay, it's enough for today. Have a nice day.